I think my experience in the CERN program was beyond valuable. I think it's something that you cannot put a price tag on.
Stem cell research is really going to change medicine. It's crucial that we have a population of scientists who represent the rich diversity of the population.
CERM offers a variety of different educational programs that target students at different levels of education. What they all have in common is that they provide some basic foundational training around stem cell research and regenerative medicine and opportunities for hands-on research under the guidance of a mentor.
Our program is designed for undergraduate students to get some real research experience and really learn what it's like to actually have a job and work in the stem cell field. And this is paid for by funding from CERN.
Bridges is what opened the door. That CERN program was the one to pivot my life and kind of put me where I am today.
I always knew that I wanted to go into biomanufacturing, but I didn't know if I could do it, if I was capable. And my Serum Compass internship showed me that I was capable, I could do it. So there's nothing stopping me.
We have a pretty strong track record of many of our trainees eventually transitioning to graduate programs, and several others have gone on to biotechnology careers.
Our first CERN Bridges intern was brought in as a Research Associate 1, and over the 5 years that she's been at Tenaya, she's been promoted 3 additional times. So it's a real success story.
CERN program is allowing me find a job and a place that is exciting me.
A diverse group of people brings diverse ideas. When you encourage young kids to come to the table to learn to be scientists, they're going to bring some different points of view and some different lived experience.
My dream was to teach biology courses at a community college. Bridges was fundamental to my getting to the position where I wanted to be.
This field excites me because it has so much potential. My favorite part of the Spark Conference was seeing women and BIPOC who look like me and act like me doing groundbreaking work, and I love seeing it.
The purpose of CERN is to increase and improve the health of all Californians.
We're very aware that the cutting-edge science that we fund is highly innovative and the regulatory path is uncharted. We need new perspectives that can only come from a diverse workforce.
My hope for the future of these programs and the students that participate in these programs is that they become the driving force for the future of regenerative medicine and biotechnology in California.